Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create and set up community chats in your Facebook group. So whether you're looking to organize discussions or boost engagement, this is a super helpful feature. So for us to be able to begin, open your Facebook app or make sure you're logged into the right account that has access to your groups. Then right after, once you're logged in, here onto the left side panel, we have groups. Simply click onto that and you'll get redirected here onto the groups page. You could see the groups you manage. Simply click onto the group when you want to create a community chat and then right after, click on manage. So if you're an admin or a moderator onto that specific group, it will give you an option to create a chat. So we have the one here onto the bottom part of the screen. Simply click onto that and it will take you to create a new community chat. First step is to name your chat. So we're gonna name this sample. Then right after, if you want this one to require approval to join any members, simply toggle this on. So the admins and moderators will be the one who will approve the request to join the chat. So you could turn this off anytime and make sure that the name of your chat is up until 75 characters. Simply click on create chat once done. And then right after, the next step is to add members. So you could invite anyone to join the chat. So simply search for your friends here and members, or you could go ahead and copy the invite link in here and paste this onto different platforms to invite people. So if you want to invite all of the members that are onto that specific community or group, simply click onto this. So you'll just have to select the group here, click on send, and as you can see, the invites have been sent already. So it will automatically pop up in here, the community chat. So we're not yet done in here. So it has been created already, but you could still click on edit in here to go ahead and change image or add a profile picture of your group chat and then add in a description. So let's try this out. Then you could also add a category. So once you're satisfied with that, simply click on save to add all of the changes. So you could go ahead and edit this anytime you like. Just click onto the group options in here to go ahead and customize this further. So you can invite more people, click on invite in here. And to start your community chat in here, just simply type onto this part here wherein it shows a text. So let's type anything in here like test and click on enter, and this should be sent out to the people inside that group. That is just basically it on how you create a Facebook group community chat. Thank you very much for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.